Imagine two completely different documents producing the exact same digital fingerprint. If this were possible, hackers could alter your bank statement without changing its hash code, making it look identical to the original. Today, we explain why preventing these collisions is the bedrock of internet security. A cryptographic hash function acts like a digital fingerprint. Generator. It takes any input data and compresses it into a unique, fixed-length string. The core definition of strong collision resistance is simple. Given a hashing function h, it must be impossible to find two different inputs, x and x prime, where ex equals ex prime. From a security perspective, this property is the most critical feature of any hash function. It ensures that it is computationally infeasible to find two different inputs that produce the same hash output. Without this mathematical barrier, the entire trust system for digital signatures and message authentication codes would collapse. Let's look at a real-world scenario involving data integrity. If an attacker could find two separate messages with the same hash values, they could send a legitimate contract and swap it for a fraudulent one right before signing. Because the hash remains identical, the receiver would have no way to detect that the document was tampered with. This vulnerability is why collision resistance is essential in various cryptographic applications beyond just files. It prevents attackers from finding two different inputs with the same output hash value to forge digital signatures or bypass security protocols that rely on verifying data authenticity during transmission. Modern cryptographic standards rely on the fact that finding such a collision requires immense computational power. For strong collision resistance, the system must be designed so that producing two separate messages with the same hash values is virtually impossible in terms of computation for any attacker using current technology. In summary, collision resistance transforms abstract data into a secure trust anchor. It guarantees that every unique piece of information has a distinct digital identity, ensuring that your messages, software updates, and financial records remain authentic and bastion, untampered by malicious actors. Understanding collision resistance is vital for anyone who values data privacy. What other cryptographic concepts do you think are most critical for the future of the internet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into cybersecurity.